Hey, I wasn't expecting you here right now, but the first time I powered up the HP OmniDesk M03, it didn't just boot, it felt like I'd finally stepped into the kind of desktop experience that just works. Before you go any deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Capable business desktops like this don't stay at the same value forever, and that hesitation is exactly how people end up paying more later or watching units sell out. This isn't for someone who's okay with sluggish responses, slow app switching, or systems that struggle when you've got more than a couple of windows open. This is for the person who feels when performance dips, that little pause when you switch tasks, the lag when a file takes forever to open, or the frustration of juggling work in multiple displays and wishing it just felt smoother. I was right there too, settling for good enough gear, until I switched to this. That moment when everything just flows feels like a quiet wave of relief. Once you've lived with responsiveness that actually keeps up with you, anything weaker starts to feel like the compromise you used to tolerate. In real use, this machine shines where it matters: long workdays where documents, spreadsheets, browsers, and collaboration apps all need to be open at once without making you wait, dual monitor setups where information stays clear and connected instead of overloaded, creative tools that feel confident instead of sluggish. The mix of an Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, generous RAM, and the blend of SSD and HDD storage means everyday tasks feel swift, storage feels abundant, and heavy workflows don't suddenly choke up. This isn't about raw numbers on paper, it's about the feeling of smooth productivity every time you sit down. Take another look at the current price and availability while you're thinking it through. Waiting for some better moment is exactly how people end up watching prices rise or missing out entirely. If you're hesitating, that's just your mind comparing this to systems you've used before. But once you experience fluid multitasking, instant responsiveness, and confidence across everyday and heavier workloads, everything else starts to feel like tech you used to tolerate, not tech you want anymore. One surprise I didn't expect was how effortless long sessions feel. Switching between projects, displays, and apps feels intentional instead of strained. You feel every app open instantly, multitasking stays smooth and confident, dual monitors feel natural, and fluid workloads feel responsive, and sure, it makes lesser desktops feel slow. It's absolutely a performance step up. You'll notice weaker systems daily at some point. You stop looping through comparisons and choose the machine that already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time you sit down and think, I wish this felt smoother and more capable. Check the current price and make the choice that finally matches how you actually want your work experience to feel.